Hello, this is Scholastic Sam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, on the subject of Algebra 2, we will be talking about Lesson 1.9, Rational Functions. Now, rational functions, the equation is y equals a over x minus h plus k. Now, we'll talk about function investigation later, but just for now, know that this has horizontal and vertical asymptotes. The vertex, of course, at h comma k, and a affects how scanty or wide it is. And when it's negative, it rotates 90 degrees. So I'll show you guys this later, but it goes like this. Wait, let's see. If I had it like this, it would go like that. Okay. So yeah, let's look at points to plot. If you have an equation or a graph, this is what you guys are going to be looking for. Now, you always draw a dashed line for k, which will be the horizontal asymptote, y equals k, and x equals h will be the vertical asymptote. So if it's y equals 1, which normally a is going to be 1, but it can change. If we have y equals 1 over x plus 1, and then we have our k value as plus 2, then we go minus 1 and then 2. Y equals minus 1, or y equals 2 and x equals minus 1. Those are going to be our two asymptotes, and we draw the dotted lines there. Then, at whatever our h value, if we subtract a from that, plot that point, and then our k value minus 1, plot that point. The same thing for all these points. X or h minus a, comma k minus 1, h minus 1, comma k minus a. Then that's going to give you your first one, likely on the bottom left. Then you use your horizontal and vertical asymptotes to draw the line, hit the point, sharp curve, hit the other point, draw the line down. Then you draw the one on the upper right, h plus a, k, comma k plus 1, and h plus 1, comma k plus a. You use your knowledge of the asymptotes, draw it up to that point, a sharp curve to the other point, and go up. Let's try this. Let's just try starter 1 over x. Now we see we have just 0, 0. So 1, our a value is 1, and so we just go 1 over, 1 up, a value over. A value over, 1 up. 1 over, a value down, a value down, 1 over. So if it was x minus 3 plus 2, and let's say our a value was 2. Now we see that, use our asymptotes, we have x minus 3, so we go over 1, 2, 3 for our first one, and it would be up here. This would be our asymptote, and then for our horizontal one, we go 2, so we have 2 would be that way. So we know this point. We see it's 2, so we know that if we go 1 to the left, we can go 2 down and plot a point. But we also know that, so 3. We also know that if we go 1 down, we can plot a point here, 1, 2. Then we just use this one and this one. Then we draw a line down from the asymptote to here, hit there, and then keep drawing it to there. Now, usually it's going to be, and also, I forgot to put this, but here because it's plus 2, and here is 2/3. It's minus 2 over negative 3 minus 2/3. We have 2 here, minus 2/3 is just that 1.33 1/3. So if I change that to 3, it'd just be at 1 because our vertical asymptote, our y value is just going to be this minus that. So, yeah, y minus parentheses a minus h. Let's go back to 2 here. Now, we go over to our points, and we remember that we do h plus a plus 2 over 1, and h plus 1 over a, which is 2. Then we point there, we draw a horizontal asymptote up to that point, sharp turn to that point, and keep going up. So yeah, if we saw this, we'd look at our point. We see our asymptotes must be, we see it doesn't reach, x never reaches 3, should draw it there, y never reaches 2, so already we know it's y equals a over x minus 3 plus 2, and then we go over, we see that we have our asymptote, and we go over 2 and down 1, it must be 2 there, already we know y equals 2 over x minus 3 plus 2. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to my math teacher, Mr. Barrett, for teaching me all this information. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section below because I read all, yes, all comments. And please drop a like if you like the video and subscribe if you like my content, because it also helps you guys and helps grow the channels, help this knowledge reach more people. And please, guys, ring that bell, turn post notifications on so you guys can get updated and notified whenever I post a new video. That way you guys will keep getting my videos and learn all this necessary information to help you guys reach high school with ease, because you will be needing my videos all throughout high school. Sorry about that. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching. See you soon. And yeah, always remember that I'm Scholastic Sam. Always remember, knowledge is power.